Ciao Panzerotti! This time we visited 4 unique spots in southern Switzerland to find the best fondue, and we ranked them based on our honest experience.
Very pretty.
As a bonus, we tried a selection of Swiss cheese in a cozy home setting.
By the end of this video, you'll have a clear guide to the best fondue spots in this area, helping you make the most of your time, taste and money in this stunning region. Stick around, this video is about to get real cheesy.
Our first stop is the rustic Alte Taverne in Adelboden. This restaurant, built from Simmentaler houses in the early 60s, has that old school Swiss charm with wooden interiors and a hearty ambience. Here we tried their signature fondue alongside some veggies with goat cheese and caramelized tofu.
Fondue must be so hot. Smells good. The cheese is so rich. Incredible.
Amazing. Very tasty.
We just had our dinner here at Alte Taverne, here in Adelboden. The fondue was incredible, so tasty, and also the other plate with the caramelized tofu and goat cheese and vegetables was very tasty. Despite the price was Swiss price, so will not be cheap, the quality and the taste was on spot.
You said this costs 10 francs.
We spent about 30 euros per person. This was a warm start, but not the winner yet.
Let's start our third fondue night. Fondue!
Next, we are off to restaurant Bären in Unterseen, basically Interlaken. This place has been around since 1674 with an authentic Swiss chalet vibe.
You have to be careful, it's very, very hot. Die!
The rosti and salad.
Amazing. I love it with Steinfish.
Different from the other one?
Yeah, very intense, very good.
And this is the face of happiness. This fondue was really good. It was the best we had so far. The flavor was so intense, so rich, but very pleasant, not too intense. Really enjoyable. And the place is so beautiful. You can sneak peek inside. Very cozy place. Very nice dinner. Annie Vanni, how was this dinner?
Spectacular. How it should be. Recommend. Check it out.
So, third day, third fondue. We are in the Spiez now. Let's see how it will be.
As a tradition, we start every dinner with espresso. I mean, I really love to drink espresso before dinner.
It's a very nice gesture of this restaurant. They brought us a small greeting from the kitchen. So, so hard, so tasty.
Cordon bleu and rosti.
The fondue here had a creamier texture but didn't hit the top of our taste list. It's not bad, but there are better options nearby for that perfect fondue experience. We spent 25 euros per person.
Very tasty.
Different from the others.
Very different. It's more intense.
6 out of 10, good fondue, but not the top of our list.
Our last stop was the Klötzlikeller in Bern's Old Town.
You can really smell it.
With its cozy atmosphere and reputation for traditional Swiss dishes, this place brought the strong, bold flavors we'd been searching for.
Very pretty. Very nice atmosphere. Very warm. I like it.
This is the last dinner. Not the last soup, but the last fondue. So it's a very important night. We'll see which position we'll take in the ranking. I'm very hungry.
Me too.
Cheers.
The ritual has begun. Burning. Look at this. Don't disappoint us tonight. Very delicious.
The fondue here was my top choice, capturing the authentic Swiss fondue flavor.
Very tasty. I like it.
For me, this is the best fondue from the three that we tried. Especially.
Incredible. For me, this comes right after the one in Interlaken, which was of another world. If you want to eat a really good food in Bern, this is fantastic. It's balanced, it's not too alcoholic. And they give you a lot of potatoes, a lot of bread, as much as you want. Very beautiful experience.
We are out of Klötzlikeller. This is our last dinner from this amazing Swiss vacation with fondue. Exactly, and this was the perfect final dinner. It was amazing. The fondue, the cheeses were of such a high quality, amazing taste. For me personally, it was the best fondue from our trip. In general, the atmosphere of the place, the service, so enjoyable. It was a very good experience.
Our body is now kind of 90% made of cheese, but
and 10% of chocolate. Tomorrow back to our normal reality. Much recommended if you are in Bern. We are not sponsored or anything, it's our honest opinion. Also reserve in advance.
The fondue to beat. It doesn't get much better than this. In between our visits, we decided to bring home some local cheeses from honesty shops. These spots let you grab some cheese and drop your payment in a box.
Appenzeller, the Gruyere, Alpkäse. One is not enough. Goat cheese. To stay light, we have taken just one sausage. Come back in 5 minutes and I will show you the result.
Et voilà, Alpenkäse 2023, must be a bit milder. Appenzeller, Alpkäse from Parm 2022, I think. And this is Gruyere and fresh goat cheese. And then a fresh sausage.
Bread from Steiniger.
Time for our dinner.
At home today, Jungfrau Helles. I'll try for the first time. It was amazing cheese and sausage plate by Francesca.
Let's dive in.
This dinner at home is delicious. I don't know if it's a bias, but the feeling is that the products here are really good. This salad is so crunchy and soft. It's a very good vegetables. It's one more point for Switzerland. This is Appenzeller. Just eat 10 tons of it because it's the tastiest. The other one are all tasty, but this another level. And this bread, so crunchy, so rich in taste.
If you are in the area, definitely try one of these spots, or all of them, like we did. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these places or if you have other fondue recommendations.
And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and hit the like button if you're craving this cheese now. Thanks for watching and we will see you on our next adventure.